Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada again with Adil Ouda with a new box from, it's not from Amazon again, this is another company, and this is the box. Oh, it is so heavy. Rajal, I just removed the sticker of the address, so I received a note from one of the viewers that the address was showing up, so that's why I removed it. So let's open it here. Maybe some of the videos I put it on the table, but let's do it here. Let's see how it's gonna be like a guitar. Okay, so we'll do it like this. We'll open the box like this. It's not working out. Let's do it again. It did actually work out. Wow. If you guys know that I have 3 viewers right now looking at me while I'm doing this, and all of them they want to talk, but because of the YouTube thing, that if there is a child talking or filming, then there's no comments and all this thing. That's why I'm telling them to be quiet, and they just want to talk. All right, so this is the box, and let's see what's inside it. It seems to be something which is really big, but all right. I got it. So I think this company basically it's like what's that, refurbished items. That's why it's not in the correct boxing. So this is a charger. As you can see, it's an Apple charger, and this is how it looks. So the first thing. So I don't know exactly what is this, an iPad or a laptop, but I know by the charger it shows it's an Apple. So let me open it, show you what's inside the box here. So I'll just use the scissor basically, and we remove the item. This is how it looks. Again, we'll need the scissor. Just open it. There's the scissor again here. And from the other side too. Okay, so what it's gonna be? Wow, it looks amazing. It's an Apple iPad. No, iPad, sorry. Come on guys, they're laughing at me. It's an Apple laptop. All right, let's open it. Let's see how it looks from inside. So this is the place where we open it from. This is it. Yes, it's an Apple iPad.
Apple laptop.
Sorry guys, come on. Apple laptop. This is how it looks, right? And here I'll look how the screen is, and here it's written designed by, you guys can read this, right? Designed by blah 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 blah. I don't know why she's laughing, but it's okay. Even this guy's laughing. So, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and has a model number and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. And did I say video game?
Yeah, you said video game.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. And don't forget to share, subscribe, like for a next unboxing products. Have a good day. What's that?
Hit that notification bell.
Hit that notification bell, as Ahmed said. Thank you.